This video is in continuation to my earlier video on Gajendra Moksham, that is Dashaka 26 of Narayaniyam. In this video, we will be seeing slogas 6 to 10. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloga number 6. त्वल्सेवाया वैभवाद्दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रन्दं हस्तिवर्यं व्यदास्त्वम् त्वल्सेवायाः वैभवाद् by your worship's glory त्वत्पद एकाग्रसिद्ध्यै for attaining one-pointed devotion. Durnirodham Yudhyantam Tam, he was continuously fighting with the crocodile. Valsaranam Sahasram, for 1,000 years. Prapte Kale, when the time had come for his redemption. Nakra Akrandam Hastivaryam, who was attacked by the crocodile, that elephant king, got defeated. Vyadhahatvam, you made it happen. Meaning, supported by the power derived from the glory of thy worship, the elephant king was unbeatable and went on fighting for 1,000 years. When the time for his redemption had come and he was fit for one-pointed devotion to thee, you subjected him to this situation. आर्तिव्यक्तप्राक्तनज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोक्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रश्रेष्ठं सोऽन्वगादिल् परात्मन्. Artivyaktaha, he Gajendra, unfolding under the stress of suffering. Praktana Jnana Bhakti, with the knowledge and devotion which he had attained in previous life. Shunda Utshiptaihi, plucked with his trunk. Pundarigaihi Samarchan, with lotus flowers, and he worshipped thee with the lotus flower. Sa Anvagadil, he sang and sang. Stotram Shreshtam, a great hymn. Nirvisheshatmanishtam is relating to the attributeless Brahman, Purva Abhyastam, which he had learned before in the past life. Paratman, O Supreme Being. Under the stress of suffering, his inherent devotion and pure knowledge unfolded. He began to offer thee worship with white lotus flowers plucked with his trunk. Relating to the attributeless Brahman, he sang continuously a great hymn which he had learned in the past life. This hymn from the Bhagavata sloka. Namo namaste khilakaranaya nishkaranaya adbhutakaranaya sarvagamamnaya mahanavaya namo pavargaya parayanaya. Next sloka, Narayaniyam. Shrutva stotram nirgunastam samastam ब्रह्मेशाद्ये नाहमित्रिप्रयादे सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगाद् तार्ष्यारूढ प्रेक्षितो भूपुरस्ताद्. Srutva stotram, hearing that hymn, Nirgunastam Samastam, fully relating to the attributeless Atman, Brahma, Isha, Adyehi, Brahma, Shiva and others, Na aham idi aprayade, this is not for me, and hence not responding. Sarva Atmatvam, you, Hare, who are the soul of all beings, Bhuri Karunya Vegal, out of infinite compassion, Tashya Arudaha, mounting on Garuda, Prekshidaha Abuhu Purastal, appeared in front of him, Gajendra. Meaning, on hearing the hymn, Brahma, Shiva, and other gods did not proceed towards the elephant king, as they felt that the hymn was not addressed to them. The soul of all being, you, Hare, moved by boundless flow of mercy, that is Karunya Vegat, mounted the Garuda and appeared in front of Gajendra. हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं न नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वल्सारूप्यं प्राप्यते दीप्यते स्म. Hastindran tam, catching hold of that elephant king, Hasta Padmena Drutva, with thy lotus hands, Chakrena Tvam Nakraviryam Vedarihi, with the chakra you tore asunder the great crocodile, Gandharve Asmin Muktashabe, when the Gandharva who was released from his curse, Sahasti, that elephant king, Tval Sarupyam Prapya, attaining a form similar to thine, Dedipyade Sma, shone brightly. Meaning, with thy lotus hand, you caught hold of that elephant king and cut asunder the powerful crocodile with chakra. The crocodile was thus released from the curse of sage and got back to the Gandharva form, and the elephant was then endowed with Sarupya, a brilliant form similar to thy form. Next sloka. Edadvrittam twamcha mamcha prageyo gayel soyam bhuyase sreyase syad ityuktainam tena sartham gadastvam dishnyam vishno pahivadalayesha. Edat vritam, this incident twamcha mamcha, praising you and me, prageyaha gael, he who sings at dawn, sa I am bhuyase sreyase sal, he will attain the greatest good, that is liberation. Idi uktva enam, saying thus to him, to Indradyumna, tena sardham gadaha tvam dishnyam, with him you went away to Vaikunta. Vishnu Pahi, O Vishnu, protect me. Adalesha, Hare, Guru Airappa. Meaning, he who praises you and me with the recital of these incidents will attain liberation. O Vishnu, you said thus to him, and then along with him departed to thy abode, Vaikunta. O Guru Airappa, may you be pleased to protect me. This is the end of the 10th sloka of Gajendra Moksha. Here I am getting reminded of the Pradha sloka by my mother. She's no more. She used to sing this every morning. I'll try to recite it here. कुम्भीन्द्रन् बोय् त्रिकुडाजलसरसिमुदा पण्डगस्त्यस्य शाबाल् பின்காலின் கடிச்சீடின முதல கடிவிடாஞாயிரத்தாண்டுழന്നാன் அந்நேரம் போന്നു വന്നാൻ മുരഹരി ഗരുഡാരൂഢനായി ധ്യാനശക്തിയാ നക്രം ചക്രേണ ഹത്വാ ഗജവരനു സായുജ്യമേകി സനാതൻ. ഹരി ഓം.